Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can use Instagram new Quicksnap feature which lets you send temporary photos to your friends or group similar to Snapchat. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. Open up the App Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram, and once you search for it, tap onto it. If it says update instead of open, tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. After that, head back to your home screen and then open up Instagram application. Make sure that you sign in to your account. Once signed in, all you have to do is simply tap on this message icon. And here you'll see a small hidden icon. That's Quick Snap feature. To open it, simply drag it to right. Once the quick windows opens up, you'll be able to choose who should receive your photo. Either close friend or followers you follow back. Choose the people you want to send the snap to. In my case, I'll just go ahead and select my close friends. Now just prepare your camera. Tap on the snap button to take a temporary photo. Once taken, your snap will appear at the very bottom left, confirming it's ready to send. That's it, your quick snap has been sent. That is how you can use the new Instagram quick snap or temporary photo feature. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.